Okay, so we have to integrate this function. So we have on the denominator we have root over 3 sin x plus cos x. Now keep this thing in your mind that whenever we will have a sin x plus b cos x, without thinking about anything, just divide by maximum. So what is the maximum? It is a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square. Now, so same way over here, you have a as root 3 square is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so root 4 is 2. So we will multiply and divide by 2. So integration of 1 by root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x dx. Now from here you can create two questions. The question number 1 will look like dx by sin x plus pi by 3 sin a cos b. Okay, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Or you can make another question which will look like 1 by 2 integration dx by cos x minus pi by 3 cos a cos b minus sin cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, now you can apply the formula now. Okay, means right now you cannot do that, so let's send them on the numerator. So it is cosec x plus pi by 6 dx, and then we have this question as 1 by 2 integration sec x minus pi by 3 dx. Now let's solve the first component. So integration of that thing is log, integration of cosec x is log cosec minus cot. So cosec x plus pi by 6 minus cot x plus pi by 6 integration constant c. Now second question is what? 1 by 2 log, this is sec x. So sec x is sec x plus 10x. So sec x plus pi by 6, no pi by 6 nahi, pi by 3 sec x plus 10x, x plus pi by 3 integration constant c. So you will have these two answers. So you will solve according to the options. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations. Okay.